So over here you can see that I have a storyboard project. And if you want to present out the storyboard to other people, then what you can do is you can use something called the pitch mode. So to access that out, I'm going to go to the Windows menu right here. And then over here, you can see pitch mode view is an option. So if I were to go around and select this, then what happens is that I get this pitch mode view right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and click and drag this and keep it over here. So there's the pitch mode. As you can see, let me just go around and keep it right around over here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see. And the pitch mode allows you to control out, let's say, these things right here. So you can just go around and then collapse these, and you can see that there's just this storyboard right here. So now once you do this on the pitch mode view, you can go around and move the slider left and right, and then do your pitch right here. There's also play button right here, which allows you to play from one storyboard to the other storyboard right here. And there's simple controls right here, just like this, as you can see. So you can go around over here, and then you see the scene and the boards right here, just like this. So this is what you have, and what you can also do is get the pen right here, and when you're explaining, you can just use this simple tools right here, just like this. So that is how you can use the pitch mode view inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro while you're actually presenting your content with someone else. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.